Scarecrow?
Dorothy followed the road and she came to a fork in the middle of the road. And on the road there was a stick with a scarecrow on it. Dorothy said,
Who are you? I'm scared and I want to break the wizard. I'm Scarecrow and I want to break from the wizard.
and Dorothy said,
I'm going to the wizard. Have that come with me.
so the two of them joined hands and started down the road. Suddenly, they ran into a silver tin man. And Dorothy said,
Who are you? I'm the Tin Man. I wanna go to the wizard's to get a heart.
Dorothy said,
Meet up.
We'll go to the wizard heart. Come with us.
so the three of them started down the road, and suddenly they heard a roar! They were very scared. And they said, who are you? And Lion said,
I'm Lion. I'm trying to scare you.
I think that's pretty good.
We'll go to the wizard heart. Come with us. I guess I'm from the wizard.
the four of them joined hands, and they were off to see the wizard. They all walked down the road, through the forest, past the poppy field, and past the flying monkeys. That's what makes me great.
Let's go with these little lions.
Okay, flying monkeys.
No words.
They came up to a door. And they walked up, and Dorothy walked up and knocked on the door.
Who's there? It's I, Dorothy.
And Scarecrow walked and knocked on the door.
Who's there? It is I, Scarecrow. I want to break from the wizard.
And the Tin Man knocked on the door.
Who's there? It is I, the Tin Man. I want a heart from the wizard.
And then Lion knocked on the door.
Who's there?